Comfort foods can be made healthier with a few tweaks to the ingredients and cooking methods. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Healthy mac and cheese. Twist: use whole grain or chickpea pasta for added fiber and protein. Replace some or all of the cheese with a mix of nutritional yeast and a small amount of real cheese for flavor. Extra: add pureed butternut squash or cauliflower to the cheese sauce for extra veggies. 2. Turkey or chicken meatloaf. Twist: use ground turkey or chicken instead of beef for a leaner option. Mix in finely chopped vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and spinach for added nutrients. Extra: use whole grain breadcrumbs or oats instead of white breadcrumbs. 3. Cauliflower mashed potatoes. Twist: replace half, or all, of the potatoes with cauliflower to reduce carbs and calories while keeping the creamy texture. Extra: use Greek yogurt instead of butter or cream for added protein. 4. Spaghetti squash lasagna. Twist: use spaghetti squash instead of pasta noodles. Layer with a mix of low-fat ricotta, spinach, and lean ground turkey or chicken. Extra: top with a light sprinkling of mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. 5. Healthy chicken pot pie. Twist: use a whole wheat crust or phyllo dough for a lighter topping. Fill with a mix of chicken breast and plenty of vegetables like carrots, peas, and celery. Extra: use a low-fat milk or almond milk for the creamy base. 6. Sweet potato shepherd's pie. Twist: use sweet potatoes instead of white potatoes for a boost in vitamins and fiber. Use lean ground turkey or lentils for the filling. Extra: add a variety of vegetables like peas, carrots, and corn to the filling. 7. Baked zucchini fries. Twist: use zucchini sticks coated in a mix of whole grain breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese, then bake instead of fry. Extra: serve with a Greek yogurt-based dipping sauce. 8. Stuffed bell peppers. Twist: use quinoa or brown rice mixed with lean ground meat, turkey or chicken, and plenty of vegetables like tomatoes, onions, and spinach. Extra: top with a small amount of shredded cheese or a dollop of Greek yogurt. 9. Healthy chicken and dumplings. Twist: use whole wheat flour for the dumplings and add plenty of vegetables to the broth. Use chicken breast instead of thighs for lean protein. Extra: use low-sodium chicken broth and skim milk for the base. 10. Greek yogurt cheesecake. Twist: use Greek yogurt instead of cream cheese to reduce fat and increase protein. Use a nut and date crust instead of a traditional graham cracker crust. Extra: top with fresh berries for added nutrients and natural sweetness. These recipes offer the comfort you crave with a healthy twist to help you maintain a balanced diet. Enjoy! Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the NI655 family. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the content, and make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more awesome videos.